In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off sound on Facebook like button, okay? Let's get started without wasting so much time, because in this channel, we don't waste our viewers' time, okay? Let's get started. Once you're on Facebook, what you want to do next here is click on your profile picture to the right here. This is my profile picture here. Then next, click on the gear icon. The gear icon is the setting icon. If you are not familiar with that, just click on it. Then scroll down. After scrolling down, there's something that I want to note. There are a lot of preferences here. So what you want to click on here is media. Okay. Then scroll down. Then you can see various options here from the top. Then and everything. What you want to turn off here is sounds in the app. Make sure you turn it off like this. By doing this, you will not get a sound when you like a Facebook post or reel. Okay, if you found value in this video, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thank you.